Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce flight prices with Southwest Airlines, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce flight prices with Southwest Airlines, begin by visiting the Southwest Airlines website. Use the search bar to enter your departure and arrival. Select your desired travel dates. Consider being flexible with your travel dates for better prices. Click the search button to view available flights. Take note of any cheaper flights by adjusting your travel times or dates. Use the low fare calendar feature to find the lowest fares across the month. Sign up for the Rapid Rewards program for potential discounts and benefits. Keep an eye on the deals page for special promotions and sales. Install the Southwest Airlines app to receive notifications about flash sales. Consider booking one-way tickets if it results in a better overall fare. Look for Southwest's Wanna Get Away fares for the most affordable options. Be aware of the 24-hour cancellation policy for added flexibility in your bookings. Check for companion pass deals if you frequently travel with someone. Explore the option of purchasing Southwest gift cards during promotions for added savings. Avoid booking flights during peak travel seasons to secure lower fares. Join travel deal forums or social media groups focused on airfare discounts. Set price alerts for your desired routes to monitor fare changes. Consider using Southwest's flexible travel policies to your advantage. Plan your flights well in advance to lock in lower prices. Monitor Southwest Airlines around common holidays when fares may increase. By following these steps, you can maximize your chances of reducing flight prices with Southwest Airlines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.